Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by authenticating. This prevents unauthorized removal. Open Settings and tap Touch ID and Passcode, then enter your device passcode when prompted. Once inside, you'll see stored fingerprints labeled Finger 1, Finger 2, and so on. Tap the first fingerprint you want to remove so you can focus on one at a time. This step ensures the system knows you're an authorized user and prepares the device to delete biometric templates safely without affecting other settings. Now remove the fingerprint templates. Tap a fingerprint entry and select Delete Fingerprint. Once removed, it's gone from the biometric store. Repeat this for each fingerprint until none remain, and make sure the list is empty so no residual templates exist. Next, disable the toggles labeled iPhone Unlock, Apple Pay, and iTunes and App Store to prevent Touch ID reuse. Doing so ensures the fingerprint data is not used for authentication elsewhere on the device and keeps access. Finish by restarting your iPhone and returning to Touch ID settings to confirm there are no stored fingerprints and that all toggles remain off. If the Delete Fingerprint button is unavailable or grayed out, make sure iOS is up to date. You can also temporarily disable the passcode and re-enable it, then try again. If a fingerprint still persists, reset all settings. Settings right arrow general, right arrow reset all settings. This clears configuration issues without erasing your data, but make sure you know Wi-Fi passwords first.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.